phase in 26, in the year 2006, in 22 municipalities from 11 countries, and one of those countries was Guatemala. The second phase, they started this program in Panama, Guatemala, Costa Rica, Paraguay, and Bolivia, working with 93 municipalities. On those countries, the MUNED program choose different government offices to work. For example, secretaries, ICT agencies, or municipality associations, like as they did in Guatemala and Costa Rica. Nowadays, currently, we are implementing this MUNED program in Costa Rica in 20 municipalities, and we are talking with Jalisco in Mexico and Salta in Argentina to implement the same program. And why do I choose MUNED to talk to you? Because when the IT team in the OES analyze different CMS, they choose Joomla to implement on the municipalities. And why? Because the municipalities, medium, large, or no, medium or little size municipalities in Latin America, they don't have an ICT team. Most of them, they have, as I call, a computin. Computin is a guy that knows more or less of computers, clean computers, knows a little bit about making websites, and doing a lot of things, but is not an engineer on ICT. So, with these conditions in our municipalities or in our local governments, we need to implement CMS like Joomla that is not very difficult to implement. Just with a little of advisor or a little help, they can do it. So that's why we are implementing the Joomla website in this program in Latin America. Which are the phases? And I would like just to tell you, because you will know that the process is very technical in order to have a good result of the implementation of electronic government. The first phase is a workshop. We celebrate a workshop for electronic government for the majors or the local authorities. Then the major that takes the decision to implement electronic government, he creates a team work in his municipality with the manager and 3, 4, 5, 6 people working with him. Those guys, the manager and the team,